Welcome back to Unknown Mysteries, where today we will be discussing with you our top 10 unsolved murder cases. I'm your host, Randy Rodriguez, with my co-host,
Lila Gata, and Alice Luis. Starting off our list of the unsolved murder cases is Santa Rosa hitchhikers. At least 7 of these women were killed and dumped on the side roads of Pacific. These girls aged from 12 to 19.
The scariest thing with all is in the 70s when hitchhiking was popular, just proves that you can't trust anyone.
Number 9, the Tylenol poisoning.
Based in Chicago, 1982, 7 deaths occurred.
For example, 12-year-old Mary took Tylenol and collapsed almost instantly. Just a few hours later, 27-year-old Adam had collapsed just like Mary and was ruled as a heart attack.
The tampered capsules were replaced with deadly doses of potassium cyanide. This caused a massive recall in the US. Number 8, Tupac Shakur. Famously known rapper was getting bigger and bigger, and at the age of 25, sadly died. Tensions were growing during the 1990s between West Coast and East Coast. On his way back from a Mike Tyson match on September 7, 1996, he was sadly shot during a drive-by. 4 shots, 3 in his chest and 1 in his leg. 6 days later, he died, September 13, 1996. Unfortunately, the case remains unsolved and still open.
Number 7, Elisa Lam. 21-year-old Canadian student Elisa Lam traveled abroad to Los Angeles and stayed at the Cecil Hotel. On CCTV, they found her acting strange on the elevator. Unfortunately, her body was found in the hotel's water tank.
The Cecil Hotel, that makes it so interesting is there's numerous documentaries on it. Even Netflix made a recent one, I think back in 2022. And, people think it's haunted, and didn't Richard Ramirez even stay at it?
And there was so many celebrities that have stayed there in the hotel. And the other interesting thing is that people complained that their water was turning black. Number 6, the Zodiac Killer. The Zodiac Killer is still an unknown man and murdered at least 5 people in Northern California between 1968 and 1969. He liked to taunt the media and public by sending letters into newspapers and calls to the police. He stopped killing all of a sudden and left the police in a ring of silence.
The thing that intrigues me the most about the Zodiac Killer is the way he likes to toy with the police. He would taunt them almost with these letters, and it's very psychological.
His last letter was in 1974, and he confessed to killing around 30-something people, which is absolutely horrible.
Number 5, the Black Dahlia. Otherwise known as Elizabeth Shorts. In the 1950s, she wanted to be an actor, but sadly didn't gain popularity through that. Her only way of becoming famous was through her gruesome murder, where she was found dismembered, cut in half at the waist, drained of blood, as well as having a gas blouse mouth, which is where they cut from ear to ear.
Number 4, Ice Box Murders.
Police got a call from Marvin Martin to check on his aunt and uncle that hadn't been in contact in 3 days. Police forced their way into the home and opened the fridge to find parts of his aunt and uncle dismembered. Blood trails found leading to the adult son, Charles' room. He was never found and was declared dead in 1975. Number 3, Jack the Ripper. In London of 1888 through 1889, there were 5 confirmed murders, but could have been more because of how discreet he was.
Messages found on the wall could have been clue, and even hoax letters came in, but unfortunately they were found to be a journalist.
The killer is still unknown.
Number 2, John Benet Ramsey. December 26, 1996, at 6 years old, John Benet Ramsey was found missing from her room in Colorado. Found after Christmas Day, discovered a ransom note. Police came in and found no force of entry, but did search the basement where her body was later found.
The cause of death was being strangled. She was found with a skull fracture as well as her mouth being taped shut and her wrists and neck being tied with a white rope. People speculate her parents killed her or even her little brother. Lastly, at our number 1, the boy in the box. The boy in the box was found dead at the side of the road in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania on February 25th, 1957. He was left naked and beaten and considered a John Doe. In 2022, thanks to recent DNA studies, his name was figured out to be Joseph Sorrell. Who said that they even dressed him up as a girl?
So interesting. They weren't sure exactly what he was doing. They had artists coming out with his statues and asked her to make it as a girl or a guy.
There were so many paintings. It was also said that he was purchased from somebody, from an orphanage actually.
There's many speculations on it, and it just makes it so much more interesting to find out.
Thank you for listening to this week's podcast about unsolved murders. Join us next week for our top 10 list about cults. Bye!